A land surveyor in Dadri Noida plays a crucial role in the development and construction industry. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping out land boundaries and features. The services provided by a land surveyor include conducting surveys, creating detailed maps, and providing essential information for construction projects. In Dadri Noida, there is a high demand for land surveyors due to the rapid urbanization and development taking place in the area. When it comes to land surveying in Dadri Noida, it is essential to hire a professional and experienced surveyor who is well-versed in the local regulations and requirements. Land surveyors use various tools and techniques to collect data, such as asDGPSsystems, laser scanning, and traditional measurement methods. They carefully analyze the collected data to create accurate maps and reports that are used by architects, engineers, and developers for their projects. Land surveyors in Dadri Noida also play a vital role in ensuring that construction projects comply with zoning regulations and land use restrictions. They help identify any potential issues or obstacles that may affect the construction process. By conducting surveys and providing accurate measurements, they assist in minimizing disputes between property owners and developers. Additionally, land surveyors help in determining property boundaries during the buying or selling of land. SCON Design is a prominent firm in Dadri Noida that specializes in land surveying services. SCON Design understands the importance of precise measurements and detailed mapping for successful construction projects. With their expertise, they ensure that all their clients receive quality surveying services that meet their specific requirements. Whether it is for residential, commercial, or industrial projects, hiring a professional land surveyor in Dadri Noida is crucial for accurate and efficient project planning and execution. The development and building industries in Dadri Noida greatly benefit from the work of land surveyors. It is their duty to precisely measure and map out land features and boundaries. A land surveyor offers a variety of services, such as conducting surveys, producing intricate maps, and giving crucial details for building projects. Land surveyors are in high demand in Dadri Noida as a result of the area's increasing urbanization and development. Hiring a qualified, experienced surveyor who is familiar with the neighborhood rules and specifications is crucial when it comes to land surveying in Dadri Noida. SDGPSsystems, laser scanning, and conventional measurement techniques are just a few of the equipment and methods that land surveyors employ to gather data. They meticulously examine the data gathered to produce precise maps and reports that are used by developers, engineers, and architects for their projects. Land surveyors in Dadri Noida are essential in ensuring that building projects adhere to zoning laws and land use limitations. They aid in the detection of any potential problems or barriers that can hinder the construction process. They aid in minimizing disputes between